I am the world's top sniper. I just assassinated the country's president. This incident has shocked everyone. The police immediately blocked all transportation hubs.
What's in the box?
So this is why I was in Nuremberg. Here's a Jake set. The ivory is all pre-burned, so I collect these things.
I disguised myself as an antique chess collector. The police searched my car very carefully, but they did not find anything unusual. I passed through the checkpoint smoothly. Later, when they discovered the sniping distance was 3,815 meters, this figure made the female agent find it very unbelievable.
Are you sure about that? Because the world record for a confirmed kill with a sniper rifle is 3,540 meters.
Ukraine. Did you retrieve the weapon?
No. Right, so the sniper took it with him.
I not only accurately hit the target, I also took the weapon with me. No traces were left at the scene. The military quickly formed a top-level investigation team. They decided to spare no effort to catch me, but by then, I had already arrived in Paris, in a very ordinary internet cafe. I plugged in a USB drive. I contacted my middleman. I was waiting for the final payment. At this moment, a new client sent me a message. She told me she was very satisfied with my abilities. She was preparing to give me a lucrative mission, but she said she must meet with me. I am the world's top sniper. I cannot easily expose my appearance, so I refused her. But she said the reward for this mission was $10 million. There were also additional bonuses. I told her the meeting fee was $1 million. She paid the money without hesitation. In the end, I decided to meet with her. When I left, I cleaned up everything. I did not leave any traces. The next day I arrived near the agreed location in advance. I saw her from a distance with binoculars. She was walking towards our agreed location. I quietly followed behind her. This is a habit I always maintain. Never let others see your face clearly.
Don't let her out. Who's the target?
Will I die, Charles? UDC. Can you get to him?
It'll cost.
I mentioned a guide price of $10 million.
Multiply that by 10 and have absolutely no concession.
Well, I'd have to consult my colleagues about that.
I turned and walked away without saying anything. Then I found my good friend Norman. He is a weapons expert. I said I wanted a plastic sniper rifle. This way it would not be detected by metal detectors. Norman said other parts could use plastic. The barrel definitely could not be made of plastic, but he could manufacture a lightweight alloy barrel. This type of barrel could fire at least 7 bullets normally. Time was tight. We immediately started taking action. Norman worked tirelessly for 7 hours, writing programs and printing parts, then spent another 5 hours making final adjustments. After working through the night, he successfully made a plastic sniper rifle. The next day, Norman was unfortunately captured by the female agent. They wanted to find out my location through Norman. At the critical moment, I had no choice but to eliminate Norman.
In jail the rest of your fucking lives.
Shifter, flanking left.